What is up, guys? Here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And before we get into this video, guys, make sure you check the link in my description and go to my recent Instagram post. I'm giving away this iPhone X and one more iPhone X for free completely. I believe there's 3 more days left of the giveaway, so go check that out. It's completely free to enter. You'll see the steps on my Instagram at Tanner with 2 R's at the end, Tannerr. I'll leave a link in the description below. But now let's get in this video from where my friend went from $100 a day to $5 grand a day, all with the power of Facebook ads. See you there. What's up, guys? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Right now we are in the hills of Hollywood. I'm with Bet, Patrick, Noah. We're gonna be filming some stuff about e-com and Facebook ads for you guys today in this video, and it's pretty dope out here. As you can see, the views, the nighttime, all the other houses on the hills up here. All right, guys, this is my friend Patrick right here. How old are you?
18.
18 years old. I'm only 17. He looks older, but he's 18. He's from Switzerland, and he's been killing it with e-com lately. And Noah's been helping him with the Facebook ads. We're gonna be getting into that. So you met Noah. How'd you meet Noah?
Through Aiden Bowles.
Aiden Bowles. You guys know him?
Yeah, he connects me with Noah. Yeah.
That's sick. So you need help with like Facebook ads and marketing, and he sent you to Noah?
Yeah. So
yes.
like I got the data from influencers.
Mm-hmm.
So we starting Facebook ads, and we went from, I was doing like 10K months only with influencers, and we went to like 140K months.
That's crazy.
In 2 months.
That's crazy. The power of Facebook ads, if you have the right people doing it and the right connections, you actually know what you're doing, it's actually really, really scalable. And like you said, he got data first with influencers. You know, that's something I've always told you guys. You know, if you have the money to spend and to test, I would try Facebook at least a little bit just to see if you can test products, see if you can figure it out. Just make sure you know what you're doing and you're not just losing a bunch of money. You know, watch some videos, take some lessons on what exactly to do to test the products. And after you do that, you know, you get the data either with Facebook or influencers. And I talked to Noah, it's about 150 purchases on a product before you can really start to scale it with Facebook ads. And so he likes to do what I used to do, which was like a 1 product store. I've showed you guys one of my first stores before, which is a 1 product store, and that's what he's done, and it's done really well. And it's free plus shipping. Still doing well for you or no? Yeah,
of course. Like I paid an influencer like about 150 bucks. It makes me 50K in 1 day. That's
crazy. It made him $50,000 off of a $150 ad.
Yeah, but
and
normally this influencer should have been like 1,500.
You got a deal.
She was,
yeah, so he told me the strategy behind all that and how he's done that. I'm not gonna tell you guys because you gotta keep that a secret. We don't want to give away Patrick's secrets. Maybe it's on his channel, I don't know. I haven't looked at his channel, but it's in French, so good luck if you don't speak French. You do what you gotta do. But anyways, that's super sick. Now let's actually go over to Noah. He's the Facebook ads expert. We're gonna sort of talk about how he was able to help Patrick take his store from, what do you say, 10,000 a month to 150,000?
140K.
That's crazy.
In 2 months.
You want to show him the phone? So I just want to give Patrick some credibility here. I know some of you guys don't believe the people that I show, but trust me, guys, the people that I show you, the people I hang out with, they're people that have actually done cool stuff and made money. I wouldn't actually put you guys on someone that was not legit. I know Patrick, I know he makes money, I know he's smart, and he's been able to make a lot of money. So I'll show you guys right here.
So this is from January 1st to March, and I did that.
$222,000.
Yeah. So that's when I started working with Noah, like end of January, and
blowing up. And then what happened there where it all went down?
PayPal froze my account, so
oh, that's terrible. You guys know I don't like to mess with PayPal. They've been holding 10 grand from me for almost a year now, so that sucks. And PayPal always has some issues with drop shipping. It's either a hit or miss with PayPal. Either, you know, you go a while, you make a lot of money and they don't do anything, or you start making money and they shut you down and it's just a pain. But now let's go see Noah. Alright, so this is Noah right here, the Facebook ads expert who helped Patrick go from $100 a day to $5,000 a day within a month, or less than a month, right?
Yeah.
So that's crazy. So how long have you been doing Facebook ads?
I've been doing Facebook ads since it's been like 8 months, 7 months.
See, that's crazy how fast he was able to learn and actually utilize it by testing and figuring out what works, what doesn't, learning other people's strategies, and just overall figuring out what works best. So what I was telling you guys is that, you know, it's hard to do everything by yourself, and finding people that can help build a team within certain things in areas that you are not as good at, such as Facebook ads or influencer marketing or back-end marketing, whatever it may be, is really good. So that's what he did for Patrick, and Patrick and him connected through Hayden, and then Noah ended up helping Patrick get to where he is now with Facebook ads, and it's somewhat all automated.
It's good because my partner Dennis, we were both working on the store. He focuses more on like messenger bots, email marketing, you know, like that sort of thing. and then I focus more on like front end, you know, like lookalikes, retargeting and all that. So Patrick came to us with like 300 sales on the Pixel, which is like a pretty good place to start out from, but it really did like unravel into something where like you can't predict that sort of thing. We just followed, like, you know, I had a strategy that was proven, like we've done it multiple times, and we just followed that, and you know, because we knew that it worked. So but yeah, I think it's really good. Like, we pretty much automate people's businesses, you know.
Yeah, it's
like,
crazy.
Especially for drop shippers, where there's a system that we're trying to follow now, which is just where people like Patrick can find a winning product and then send it to us, and we'll just take care of the whole deal for them, so it's automated.
Yeah.
And then they can just go start another store and find another winning product and then ship that out to us. So they could just literally just
yeah. So it's all about
stores.
You know, what he really likes doing is finding out what this person's really good at and allowing them to do that, and then him and his team take over the Facebook ads section to really launch the sales. You know, let them focus on finding the products, because he's really good at Facebook ads, him and his team. And if they're really good at that, you know, why would they need to waste their time doing other things that they don't need to be doing, that they aren't as good in? And if they're good with Facebook ads, you know, they need to go all in and really, you know, help other people start making a lot of money, because you just do rev split, right, with the people that you help.
Yeah, usually.
So with the Facebook ads, how many clients do you have right now? Like, how many stores can you actually manage just by yourself, or do you have other people?
I started out by myself. Like, I managed like 10 or 12 stores, but then I started growing my team, and now we're managing like 15 stores, and then we have like 5 or 6 students, like people that we actually learn rather than just manage. So yeah, you know, like pretty busy day. You know, like my team helps me out a lot with clients, and like they're 100% trained by me. So you know, like I literally spent time with them every single day for months and months and months, just like absorbing them with what I've learned. And in that case, like, I'm willing to, you know, like, trust them with my clients, and they're actually killing it. Like, they're doing really, really well. So, and I actually still work with them like day to day with the clients. You know, if something goes wrong, I'm like right next to them, making sure that everything goes good. And you know, the whole thing is just systematical. Like, really, business in general is very systematical. Like, if you can understand that, then, well, you'll start to understand it. Like, once money becomes less of an issue, you start to become more focused about how you can manage your time. And that's kind of like where the stage where I'm at is just like, how can we increase our capacity, meaning like how can we grow more stores while like not feeling like overwhelmed and not pulling like 20-hour days and, you know, doing all this crazy like hustle shit, when in reality it's not really that hard. Like,
so it's like figuring out what works, and then, you know, figuring out how you can not put all the time on yourself, figure out how you can get other people to help you with it at the same time, and being able to still build the business without, you know, like you said, 20-hour days. You don't want to be doing that.
Right. And I was doing that for a while. Like,
everybody from the start has to, you know, find what they're good at, and then, you know, spend the time actually getting good at it before you can start really scaling it.
Right. And like, and there was a time, and it's really how I got so good at Facebook ads. Like, I never just outsourced all my work, where I was literally like managing 10 ad accounts at one time, like every single day. It's a daily grind for me. So every single day I was just in there, and like I tested out so many things, and I saw so many things not work, and I saw so many things work, and it just like, it built like this instinct into me where I know exactly what to do in like almost every situation. So it's like, if you just like indulge yourself in one thing, like you just become so good at it.
Yeah, you get really good at it. That's one thing also with me is I like to try too many things at once, and I've been able to learn in business over the past couple months, almost a year, is that figuring out one thing you're really good at and really, you know, investing a lot of your time into it, you'll start to get really good at, and you'll see you're able to scale it and really build that certain business, whatever it is, instead of trying to juggle all of these things at once. So that's sick that Noah's doing what he's doing. He's pulling, like, are you allowed to say how much money you're pulling for your clients, like a month total, you think?
Like all together?
Yeah.
We're doing like, probably last month we probably pulled in like 200.
See, that's solid.
The month before that we did like 350.
That's crazy.
So this year we're about to hit 7 figures. Like, we're like 50K away from 7 figures this year.
And it's only what?
Yeah,
June?
It's been 6 months.
Yeah, that's crazy how they've been able to do that and really scale that business. And like you said, he's only been doing Facebook ads for 8 months, 10 months.
Yeah, bro, like last like the month before August, man, I don't even know. Like, I'm a dropout, but like, shit.
Yeah, he's a high school dropout. You guys know I'm still in school. Everybody tells me, like, why are you still in school? Why don't you drop out? Figure it out. We'll figure it out, guys. We'll figure it out together.
But like, literally, like the month before August, I didn't know what a lookalike was. I didn't know how to retarget. Like, I didn't know any of like the crucial things that I like now I'm legitimately changing lives with that knowledge. So,
and who or what were you able to learn from? Like, how did you learn what you know today that you're able to do so well for people?
Like, it was literally what I said, like just doing it with 10 different accounts every single day. Because most people, they just do like 1 or 2 accounts.
So you're sort of forced to learn off of that.
Exactly. So like, and plus we're just paid on profits, so we're forced to focus on profits, because or else we don't get paid at the end of the day. So, but yeah, like 10 ad accounts is a lot. Like, you see what happens, like you see what works for one person but doesn't work for the rest of them, and you see like what works for like absolutely everybody, and that's what we try to focus on, is like what's duplicatable. Like, if something works really, really well for one person and it doesn't for the rest of them, we'll usually just stop doing it. Mainly because everything that we do is duplicatable. Like, we have a success rate of working with stores of like 70 to 80%. And the main reason is just because everything that I do is literally proven. And you know, I don't do things that just work for one person or 2 people. I do things that have worked for like almost everybody.
Finding what works, the system, and just keep it building and keep adding on and keeping it going.
Exactly.
So that's sick. Thank you so much for filming this video, bro, sharing some knowledge with these people in the story. So Noah's killer with Facebook ads, Patrick, he's good at finding the products, and together they team up, get major clout. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Got LA in the background. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.